All right guys, what's up? What's going on? You see my last video. Been having problems trying to secure a warehouse to be able to conduct all the work in, right? So, you know, it is what it is. But I think I'm just stepping back just a little bit. Gonna go something a little smaller. Literally gonna start off with office space and a couple parking spots, and just kind of go from there until I can really analyze the business and understand it fully, right? So that's cool. And here today, you can see I have not stopped looking for cars. So this car I didn't get from auction. I'm still surfing Craigslist, OfferUp, things like that. This particular car I got really lucky with. It's a 2016 Hyundai Veloster with 35,000 miles. Actually 33,000 miles, I'm sorry. My coworker, before I left my job, he hit me up and he was telling me, he's like, hey dude, you wanna buy my car? I'm just gonna trade it in. I'm gonna get a Tesla and all this kind of stuff. And I'm like, dude, sure thing. You know, just give me a couple weeks. I'll have all the cash put together for you. He held it and here I am. Dude, this guy even detailed it for me. You already know the name of the game. You get a car, you detail it, you get that thing looking good, you fix minor repairs, and you put it up for sale. So he did all that for me, so that's great. I don't have anything I have to do to this car besides list it up for sale and pick up front tires. So right now I'm on my way out to Fullerton, a place called Discounted Wheel Warehouse. That's usually where I get my stuff. It's right off the 91 freeway. I'm gonna pick up a set of 2 tires. The reason I'm doing that is one of these tires has a patch in the sidewall. Dude, we all know that's not safe. So gonna get that all fixed. Gonna put 2 brand new tires on it. Clean up the car just a little bit on the outside, take some pictures and post it up for sale. So, you know, even though I'm not able to access the auctions, you know what, it is what it is. This is my only source of income now, so I'm taking it really serious. So day in, day out, I'm looking for deals, and gotta do what you gotta do. All right, man, on to the next one. All right, I guess I might as well make reviews of cars like that I'm purchasing, right? I guess this will be number 1. I guess it'll even keep me on track and know what I've purchased in the past, see what I like and I don't like, right? So this is a 2016 Hyundai Veloster. Nothing special, just, you know, plain old city slayer. Nice commuter, right? So this thing cost me $40. It was actually like $39 to fill up the tank from bare minimum to full. All right, great. The range on the little meter right here says 420 miles per tank. That's way better than the Jeep I've been driving. That thing cost me about $85 to fill the tank, and I get like 200 miles. It's not that great. So it's pretty nice. The interior is really nice. I like that everything's all dark. It's not light colors, so it's hard to get dirty and messed up. It's a little peppy. It's not the greatest thing in the world, but you know, it'll get you from point A to point B, and it'll fit in any parking spot you want to put it. So if you're in the city or you live in a congested area of town, San Francisco, downtown Long Beach, stuff like that, and there's no parking, perfect car. Small, peppy. It's got sport mode, it's got paddle shifters, it's got the whole 9, right? Cool thing is, it doesn't look like it has Bluetooth. Actually, it does have Bluetooth. I'm looking at it right here. So it's got Bluetooth, it's got the aux, it's got 2 car chargers. So that's all fine and dandy. And it gets up and moves. So that's all you can really care for in a commuter. It looks great. It's a very stylish little car. They make these things to have warranty up until 100,000 miles. So you know, they're doing something right as far as manufacturing of these cars, or at the bare minimum owning up to the product that they sell. So overall, I give this on a scalability of a commuter car 10 out of 10. You can't complain. It looks great. It's small, stylish. It's roomy. It's a little hatchback. Oh, you know what does suck? Gets a 1 out of 10 on this. Freaking, let me see if you'll be able to tell this. The blind spots, man, that rear, you see that rear window? It looks like you can see out of it from the phone, but man, the blind spots in this thing suck. But you know what? Beyond the blind spots, it's a great car. Like I said, 10 out of 10 as far as commuter goes. And you know what? The road noise isn't bad. That's actually my biggest gripe with cheaper cars or Japanese cars, is the road noise is just way too loud inside the cabin. It's not bad at all inside this car. I can't complain. That's usually why I drive European cars. I always, you know, prefer it. Just because you don't hear the road noise when you're driving, you close the doors and it's a wrap. You don't hear anything really going on outside. So, but this car isn't bad at all. I would say it sounds a lot better inside the cabin than like a Honda would, 100%. Even quieter than the, I was driving a little Volkswagen Jetta around, like a 2014, and that thing was loud on the road. I couldn't believe it. But you know what? The doors were kind of lame. They felt really light. I didn't really like that car that much. But you know what? The Hyundai Veloster, I dig it. I dig it. It's not bad. Little 1.6 liter turbo. And do it. If you're looking to purchase a cool commuter, do it. I stand by this one for sure. And you know what? While we're at it, I will let you guys see the interior. Right? Not bad at all. We're zooming past people. Like I said, it looks good, right? It's not too bad. We're gonna take this back road here. I'll punch it a little bit right here. Looks like we got a nice little zigzag. There we go. Take this corner. We good. See? It zooms. Alright guys, we just pulled up to the spot right there. Discounted Wheel Warehouse, open to the public. It's a wholesale joint. So we're gonna have that car down. All right guys, so I went ahead and picked up those tires, got it all taken care of. Gonna roll up around back right now to grab them. That's cool. I didn't realize I had a rear view camera, so right there. All right, we're gonna go pick up this service order from the spot right here behind me. So let's walk up. So I'm just waiting. I gave them the invoice, the slip, so they should be bringing out the tires pretty soon. I like this place. It's quick. You call them, they get everything ready, you get here, you pay, and then you just swing over to the back of the warehouse and they bring this stuff out. The whole gig takes maybe like 15 minutes, so it's pretty cool. I don't get them installed here because then I have to wait in line with a million other people. So I take it to a spot that you'll actually be checking out next. So we'll be rolling out from here, going back towards where we came from, and then get the tires installed, mounted, and get the tire sensors adjusted. There we go. Alright, we're doing this, guys. We're taking off the traction control. We're gonna put this in sport mode. There we go, traction control's off. And then we're gonna zoom. We got this. We got a little Mustang or something coming around this corner. go-kart antics, that's for sure. We like it. See, what did I tell you guys? Nice, peppy, it works. Put it in sport mode, took off traction control. I don't even think it could spin tires if it wanted to. So with some people this will resonate with, maybe others it won't, but I'll tell you one of the real reasons I wanted to get into the car thing, right? Car flipping, car dealership, bumping my own spot, is I love all types of cars. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm sitting inside a Hyundai Veloster, and it's just something new, and I feel like every car has its own little characteristics, their own personalities. And I mean, it's not a race car, but you know what? It's cool. You know, it fits the bill. It does everything it needs to do. It's a commuter. It saves on gas. It's great. Sound system bumps. All right, guys. So the next place we're going to right now is called Rolling Wheels and Tires. It's a little spot over here in Paramount. I've been going here for years, man, since I was like 16 years old. It's just a small little tire shop. They pretty much only mount and balance tires and sell used tires. I don't even think they sell new tires there. That's why I always go to the other spot. But you know what? They are quick. You get in and out of this place in like 15 minutes tops. It's great. You don't have to wait for anything. You pull up, like 4 people run up on you. They take off whatever wheels and tires you need. They put the new ones in and you're out. You spend like 15, 20 bucks getting it all done. But you know what? It's not even about the price. I mean, the price is good, but I can't stand being places, knowing when like a job takes 15, 20 minutes and have to wait like 3 hours for someone to perform the work. It's just, I don't work that way. I like to get everything done like quick. And we want to make sure that our contacts and our connections that we have inside the industry are there working quickly for us, and understand that our time is money. And when you're on your own dime and your own dollar, you start realizing that time is money and that you need to get things done a lot quicker than you allotted for before, you know? So it's cool. That thing is huge. All right, we're pulling up right now. And as you see, always packed in this place. Let's see if we can fit into the right. Gonna pull it up on these little spots right here. While we're here, let's check out the brakes. Yeah, we're good. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, we're good on the brakes.
Vale, que estoy bien.
All right, that was quick. What I tell you guys, 15 minutes and we are on out of here. 2 tires installed, balance, mounted, the whole 9. Give my boy a little $5 tip. He took care of me. And now it's time to dip on out. So I don't know what'll be in this video next, but we'll see what's up. So I kind of messed up a little earlier. I left Fullerton when I went to pick up some tires, but I have a paint guy that's in Fullerton, and this car has just a small amount of rear quarter panel damage. So this is the spot that I was talking about, right? It's not bad. Doesn't look too crazy, right? But if I can get it perfect. So I'm gonna go pass by my boy that does my paint work, see how much he'll charge me to get the rear quarter panel kind of you know, looking cherry again. It's not bad. I was gonna sell it like it, but you know, if I can get it perfect for the next buyer, you know me. So I try to get everything done the right way, the professional way. That way things don't come back to bite me in the butt, and I don't have any issues, you know. When you sell used cars, anything can happen, and you know, if I don't have paperwork displaying the work I've done on the cars to prove that you know, I'm an authentic guy, trustworthy guy, then, you know, you're not getting anywhere. So I like to have all this paperwork ready for my clients. That way when they do come, they check it out. You know, check this out, it's got new tires, check this out, I put new brakes, check this out, I did this, you know, whatever it may be, oil changes. Usually I take it to the dealer, see if there's any recalls that need to be done. So I pretty much cover all my grounds A to Z. The downside is now I'm going back up to Fullerton to check out my paint guy. It's not that far, maybe like 20 minutes away, but I wasted a little bit of time. But I'll get down there, talk to him, see what's going on. Damn, you guys want to see what's up? Camber gang, for sure. Living in Southern California is kind of cool. You see all sorts of different like styles and builds and budgets, you know, always, every day. So when I'm on the road, I'm always taking videos of people's cars or photos or whatever, you know. I dig it. It's what I like. It's what I do. You know how it is. See what I tell you? Everyone's got a little style, a little different build. Oh, Fiestas. Alright, so we're pulling up to the paint spot right now. Where's it at? Where's it at? Alright, right here. So we're pulling up to the paint spot. Let's see what kind of quote we get on the work. Hopefully it won't be too serious. The quarter panel isn't that bad, but you know what? When they gotta, you know, paint a small portion of the car and pull some dents and a couple little things like that, sometimes things get pricey. So let's hope for the best and see what my boy tells me. Just pull on in the back. Let's get through this stuff. I got all these cars back here. They're always busy. Always, always, always busy. A lot of work to be done over here. And then this is my boy right here in the corner. Right here. So this is the spot that I was talking about, right? It's not bad. Doesn't look too crazy, right? But if I can get it perfect. So we just got the total from my boy, so we're gonna do it. He's gonna drive me home. He's gonna bring the car back and we'll have it done real quick. Like he said, he'll be able to leave that shit brand new, looking perfect. So we're doing it.